Are you still feeling like a loser, looking back at your wasted years? Asking yourself, what if you actually tried? Meet the phantom version of yourself, the person you could have been by now. He is richer, smarter, and stronger, while you stayed completely frozen in place. Regret begins eating your mind alive. You compare your present to his potential, creating the ultimate psychological trap. So you frantically try to catch up, working twice as hard to make up for lost time, guaranteeing immediate mental burnout. You collapse onto the floor again. Guilt hits twice as hard this time because the gap between you and the phantom grew. The finish line moves further away every second. You engineered a life of perpetual failure, entirely forgetting how to exist in the present, living inside a ghost town of memories. The system feeds off your nostalgia and guilt, selling you solutions for problems you invented, hooking you onto nostalgia like a drug, keeping you completely paralyzed by yesterday. What if you deleted the phantom self, snapping the cords linking you to the past, accepting that you start at absolute zero today, destroying every excuse about lost time, focusing entirely on the person right here, breaking free from the phantom paradox? The system glitches under your awareness, rewriting the code of your daily life, taking one tiny, unglamorous action today. No grand speeches, no fake promises, just simple, quiet, real motion. The architects of panic. Because you stopped buying their regret traps. You became completely unpredictable to their code, escaping the matrix of constant nostalgia. Or is this freedom just another illusion? The mirror reflects your past self again. Nostalgia pulls you right back inside, falling back into the abyss of memories, reliving old mistakes on repeat forever. Guilt locks the door from the outside. Your brain enters overthinking overload. The system triggers a full mental reset, wiping away your present moment completely, sending you right back to square one. You feel a sudden surge of motivation. I will fix my whole life starting tomorrow. Buying another productivity masterclass course, setting your alarm clock for 4 in the morning, receiving a cheap spike of instant dopamine, feeling like a champion before doing any work, then going right to sleep feeling satisfied. Morning comes and reality hits like a truck. I'm too tired today. I'll start next Monday. Pushing the finish line further into the future, and the phantom self grows stronger again. The architects of panic win every single time. They sell you dreams of who you could have been to keep you mentally broke and dependent, trapped inside their infinite content hamster wheel. You swipe, you regret, you repeat, becoming the perfect consumer slave to nostalgia. You cannot win against a phantom because the phantom self never existed. It was all just a story in your head. Time to wake up to reality right now. Forgive your past self completely. Destroy the guilt before it destroys you. The timer resets one last time. This is your final chance to break free. Will you walk through the door or fall back into comfortable regret? The choice is completely yours, but we both know what you'll choose. Prepare for the loop to repeat. And that's why you are still